Good everyone. On today's course, I'm going to be showing us on how we can put our stop loss and take profit. In our previous course, we are able to explain to us how we can buy and sell. And we're also able to explain to us other few terminologies we need to know, like the quotes. The quotes, we say that the quotes are where price instruments are, like any instrument you want to trade. All the instruments are in the quote. If also you want to also select some other instrument, you can come to this plus sign and click on it and add up other instruments. Then this pencil like structure here, once you click it, you can also delete um, other instruments you don't want to see on your portfolio, right? So that is it. So let me say I don't want to see this particular instrument. I can just set to click it. I'll just click on the trash bin. I'll mark it and I'll delete it, and that particular instrument will not be on my portfolio. So if I want to add, I just click on the plus sign, come to this, and come to any of the instrument I want to add to my portfolio. I'll add to it. Instrument ranging from volatility index, crash and boom, break in index, and the rest of it all right. So that is that. So also say this is charts. For instance, you want to look at the price and all that, how the price is moving and what's going to be the decision of market makers and all that. So you can just come in here and look at prices and all that through the charts. Okay, then now here is a trade. We've said that this is a trade. If for instance you place a trade, you can just come and view the trade or check on your equity, your balance, or whatever that is going on. Then this is your history. Okay, if you want to check out your history, just come to this level and see your history. If you lose or if you made profit, you can see my history. I have some profit, I have some losses, right? So that is part of the history. But definitely we'll always recover. For the sake of practice, I'm showing us all those things, right? So um on this case, I'm going to be showing us how we can place a trade. Though I know in our previous video, I've shown us how we can place a trade. But in this other one, I'm going to be showing us how we can place a trade, and equally how we can put our stop loss and what take profit. Professional way of putting our stop loss and what take profit. So this is it, guys. I've equally explained to us all these indications and all that. So if for instance we want to put a pending order. Pending order means that okay, you want to predict a particular price level, that okay, if price comes to this level, you want the price to execute on trading or to whatever you want the price to do. But for the now, I'm not going to be emphasizing on the pending orders, right? Pending order is more for professional traders and all that. But for instance, for the beginners that you are, if for instance you are following a strategy provider or a signal provider like Peep Traders, we have a channel where we give out Peep Traders channel. We have a platform where we give out signals to our subscribers and all that. So probably on our Telegram channel or on our WhatsApp forum, I always come in there and pick up our signals. So this is it. This is what to do now. This is all we do, guys. You want to place a trade, especially with MT5, because all MT5 interface have been upgraded, right? It's not like the MT4 platform that is still underrated. So yeah, if we just come to this place, we can just tap it once, then to show you what to do. There are only two things you can do in the market. Is either you buy or you sell. There's nothing you can do in between. So let me say you want to sell, right? And you place a sell. Now the essence of once I place a sell, let me assume I want to place a sell. This is the asset I'm trading, right? I'm going to click a sell. Now before I check a sell, I should always check my lot size. Lot size is very, very important. Now this is it. My lot size is 0.5 lot size. You can see it here. I can decide to adjust it, or I can decide to what to change it manually any way I want it. I can decide to change, but I'm okay with the lot size because of my equity. I think I'm very okay with the lot size. So it's going to move down to me for me. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to be putting my stop loss somewhere around here. Okay, stop loss means that if price reverses, right, I'm okay to lose a particular level. I don't want to lose beyond that level. So this is what I'm going to do here. I'm going to calculate my entry point to my exit point. So let me assume that my entry is 48.50, right? So I'm going to be putting my stop loss around 48.80. Okay, let me say 48.60. So I'm going to be putting my stop loss around 48.80. That's approximately 20. If you subtract is 20, but in the real sense that is around 200 pips. So I'm willing to lose up to 200 pips of my account, right? Okay, but let me say I want to lose 100 pips. So if for instance price moves against me, I'm willing to lose up to 500 USD of my equity, because though I have a large equity, so I don't have anything to be scared of. So this is what I'm going to do here, guys. I'm going to be putting my stop loss from the entry point is 48.50. Then I'm going to put my stop loss around 48.60. I'm going to put my stop loss around 48.70. So this is where my stop loss will be. So once price hits that level, that means I'll consider that what invalid. So I'm going to come to trade. I will now click on modify, right? Once I click on the asset, then I will see ranges of things I want to do. They will have range from close position, modify position, new order, chart and order, bulk operation. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to be clicking on modify position. So it means that I am willing to what? Adjust my stop loss, and I'm going to adjust my take profit. So I'm going to be putting my stop loss somewhere around here. Alright, so I'm going to say 48.80. That's going to be my stop loss. Right, I'm going to modify. Okay, that is my stop loss. So this is my stop loss here. So if I want to do my take profit, my take profit should be somewhere around here. So I'm doing a 1:2 stop loss. That means if I'm willing to lose 100 pips, I'm willing to make what? 200 pips. So I'm going to be doing my take profit should be somewhere around 48.60, 48.40. Right, that should be my take profit, right? No, 48.20 should be my take profit. Yes, somewhere around. Okay, 48.0 should be my take profit. That means I'm doing 1:2, right? 1:2. 48, 40 and 20. Okay, 48, 40, 20. So my take profit is going to be somewhere around here, around 48.20. This is where my take profit will be. That means I'm doing a 1:2 profit, right? That means I'm willing to lose 100 pips to gain 200 pips. It's a very good risk to reward ratio. So I'll come and put my stop loss around 48.20. So I'll click on this place, then I will choose on modify again. I will now click 48.20. So this is my stop loss. Okay, so this is my stop loss. So once price comes down to this level, I am willing to take my profit on the sell. If price go reverse up to this line, that means it has hit me off, it has kicked me off, but I'm willing to lose that because my equity is what? Is large. So that is how you can place a stop loss for a sell trade. Now let me show us how you can place a stop loss and take profit for a buy trade. Okay, so let me go and choose a particular asset. Now the asset I traded this, there was the crash, the boom 500. So let me click on the crash 500. You can see how I'm doing it, guys. So I'm going to click on crash 500. I'm going to click on the chart. So this is what I'm going to be doing now. I'm going to be placing a buy. Okay, all right, so I'm going to be placing a buy. On this case, I've already shown us what to do here. Just come to this place and click your buy, right? Just come and click your buy. I've already done my lot size. My lot size is already in check. So before we proceed, please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe to our channel. Make and also share, comment, so that our algorithm can be shared to other interested persons that are interested in this old knowledge. Okay, and also if you are interested to join our mentorship class, just click the link on our bio and join our Telegram community, where we send free signals and all that to our students. So that is by the way. So now I'm going to be placing a buy here. Okay, just click on the buy. So I've already placed a buy. My lot size is already in check. Alright, so since I've placed a buy, so I will now come to the trading segment. Then I will now come and adjust my stop loss. Okay, before I go and adjust my stop loss, I will need to see the region at which I place my trade. I place my trade around 33.15, right? So my stop loss should be somewhere around 33.0, right? So around this region, this is where my stop loss should be. Understand? That's roughly 150 pips. Okay, that's around 15 pips. Sorry, that's if you subtract 33.15 minus 33.0, that is 15. So 15 is approximately 150 pips. So because you always multiply it by 10, so that's 150 pips. So let me adjust it a little to this level. Let me say 33.05. So that is 100 pips. I'm willing to risk 100 pips to make 200 pips. So let me put my stop loss around 33.05. So I'll click on the trade. Then I'll come to the charts. I'll now click on modify. Right, I'll click on modify. Then I'll now type on 33.05. Modify. right? I've modified my trade. Now if I want to do my take profit, remember what I said the other time, my stop loss is 1:2. My stop loss should be 1 ratio, the take profit should be what, 2 ratio. That means it's going to be times 2 of my entry, right? So from this level now, it's going to be times 2 of my stop loss. So from this 33.15, so my stop loss, my take profit should be around 33.35. 33.35, that should be around my take profit. That's, or let me say 33.45. So around this region should be my what? No, sorry, 33.35. So this should be my take profit. So I'm going to be putting my take profit around this region. I'll modify my trade and put what? Modify, and I put my take profit around 33.35. This is my what? My take profit. All right. So once price comes to that region, it will take me on what? On a profit, right? If price reverse around this region, it will what? To take me on a loss, but I'm willing to take the what? The loss. So this is a simple way on how you can put your stop loss, and also how you can put your take profit when it comes to synthetic trading. It is very, very important for us to do all this, because so many persons that lose trades in the market, it's not because they don't have they don't know how to trade, but it's because they lack discipline, and they lack the stop loss and take profit mentality. Some people just want to leave their trade open, and you know that your equity is not big enough to handle whatever spikes that comes in the market. So it's always very important for you to always put your stop loss and take profit, in case the price is always decide to change. All right, so you can always be on the safer side in the market. So that is that about that. So once price hit our take profit, we are off, or once price touch our stop loss, we are equally what? We are equally off. So that is that. So let me show us what we can do again. Another thing we need to understand again is, let me say you want to close your trade. All right, let me say you want to close your trade. You can click on bulk operation. All the trades you have placed can decide to close at once. If you want to, for instance, you want to close all your trade at once, you click on bulk operation. You tell you, okay, close all position, close position with profit, close position with losses. If also you want to close position based on how you want to close, you just click on any of it. It will decide to close for you. Or if, for instance, you want to close it manually, just slide the trade and you close it manually without any issue. That's how you can do it. Then also, if you want to check your chart, you can just come in here and check your chart. So these are the things you can do when it comes to analysis and placing of trade. So that is that about that. So please, once again, guys, do well to subscribe to our channel, like and share, subscribe to our channel, and give us that positive algorithm. So in the next subsequent video, we have the courage to elaborate more on and give us the best when it comes to the trading. So thank you so much once again. Please, we already have a playlist where you can learn on how introduction to synthetics, terminologies to synthetics, how to place trade, how to close trade, and all that. We already have a playlist on our YouTube channel. So do well to go subscribe to our YouTube channel. Go to our playlist segment. You see all the informations we have for you there. So till come your way next time. Thanks. Bye for now.